People of various communities residing in the state carried out public rally against atrocities by Assam Rifles and armed forces. And Thabal District Police nabbed 4 miscreants involved in hit-and-run incident at Kangabok. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. People of different communities residing in the state carried out a public rally today demanding withdrawal of Armed Forces Special Power Act from the state and to put an end to the atrocities carried out by the Assam Rifles. Indigenous Women Forum Manipur organized the rally, which kicked off from Wangkai Angom Laikai's Wall Club and concluded at Thao Ground, Thamaiban. Women organizations of different communities, students, women, and youth took part in the rally. Protesters chanted various slogans during the rally. A public meeting along with leaders of civil society organizations will be held at Thao Ground after the rally.
January da IPS officer amabu moreda yam thina mabu IPS officer amani haina magi walobi da na mabu molest tobiki ba thaba ngang chudana leijaba moreda lalolitik tokjadana leibanupi amabu mokoina yamna diamond leibani thibani haibagi mingda magi hakchang thongna makhut mangna wot na laga adu maina thiba adu da natana lokchau da amuk tanaraga moi marina amuksu mongonda wot khiba mayam ama section harassment togiba mayam ama aikoi nupi singna nungaite aduna ngasi aikoi gi Manipur all Manipurgi nupi sing jati tongan ba jati khuding mana pulla gai khoi forum jina ngasi suma mayam ama nupi gi mayok ta chathariba or naiba mayam amadi Indian army na chathariba sugumba thodok mayam je khoi nungaite haibagi masi lepo lokthok piu aduga ai khoi bu free ohen biu haibana chingba mayam ama ai khoi gi isu mayam ama du ai khoi dabi to bogo loina ngasi gi sum program se pangthok jaban.
President of Assam Rifles Ex-Servicemen Association Manipur L. Tombi appealed people for their cooperation during their duty at border areas and other locations. He was speaking to media during a protest demonstration held at the office of the association in North AOC, Sanjeevani today. Speaking further, Association President L. Tombi said that Assam Rifles took up necessary measures along Imphal-Mori Road to check on transportation of intoxicants, armaments, and many others. He appealed to follow the rules and regulations and urged those concerned not to defame Assam Rifles. L. Tombi also mentioned that Assam Rifles are taking befitted roles in saving youths from intoxicants, drugs, and maintaining peace of the state.
Akwai Assam Rifle na Manipur da duty tawba matamda international highway oi Burma Manipur road se Thailand bo phawdorini masida drugs arms ammunition non nationalist national mayam ama changai thingna bagi dongta akhoi yamna kanna duty tawdaba yade security point of view da akhoi na mayam du check to hogdragadi security lapse oigragadi mang dorisi kanagino akoi praja mayam gine ba akoi praja mayam gi mang bu dagi kanna bai damta akoi ji border rota security check ta leibane ba nanthongna bo honar ko matam da di mungna ba lae aduna khulai baina sijenaraga badnam tawna bo honar ko dudi akoi yaning de ba.
Thabal District Police today seized the vehicle and arrested 4 miscreants who were accused in the hit-and-run incident of Moirangtem Ongbi Manjari from Kangabok, Awang Klaikai. The miscreants are 27 years old Waikom Budent alias Eluvi, son of W. Kumar from Thabal Bazar, Makha Pakhang Khong Leirak, 27 years of Waikom Robinson alias Maru, son of W. Inau from Thabal Bazar, Makha, 27 years old, Ketri Mayum Kanan alias Anand, son of K.S. Haichirazen from Thabal Hauka Kiam Sifai, and 27 years old Tinguzam Dromin, son of T.H. Munal from Thabal Hauka Kiam Sifai. The blue-colored Maruti Alto with registration number MN06LA5826 was also seized. It may be recalled that Moirangtem Ongbi Manjari was hit by the same car in front of gate of KM Blooming Higher Secondary School, Kangabok on January 29 and she succumbed right at the spot. GSC against the brutal killing of M. Manjuri Devi in a press release lauded Thawal District Police for seizing the vehicle and arresting the 4 miscreants accused in the hit-and-run incident of Moirangthem Ongbi Manjuri from Khangabo Awang Lekai within 24 hours. Andhra MLA Minister Thonajam Shyam Kumar appealed to relax the 24-hour statewide total shutdown called by the GSC form against the murder of the girl from Yeripok to Lihal. It may be recalled that the girl from Yeripok was raped and her body was found at Mayang Imphal on January 28. Speaking to media in a press release held at Minister's Quarter in Kanglapa today, Minister Shyam Kumar termed the incident as unfortunate. He assured to arrest those involved in the case and award legal actions. Minister Shyam Kumar asserted that the demands of the GEC will be fulfilled following conversation with Chief Minister Nongthong Biren.
GSC talak demand kutimagta marang matik sabdan di piu haibani marang matik sabdan di intan penan ko ki matungina crimes against the women gi makhada ni na lipi da tamthina taropna sim na khoi sibagi death sentence death penalty or life in prison adu di law court ki da oneman ko na mana decide to jirani do loena GSC gi talak po demand sing adu oneman chim minister ga telephone wari sanara kanda khoi mung manungi next to makin kana khoi ama thab ama piu habado oneman chim minister halakanda tang manga dum phamina kanda tandara ga to yabadu khoi yengena khoi lepsare diki wena GSC na covid adok tak ko yandar me ko tak hangtuk piro state sakana tamne ko dimakta tiumba phatau ki toropa nupi sarba crime gi mayokta matuk ko lei ko dim le man tharo ha basi se go me set pa war emni
Proscribed KCP People's War Group condoled and demanded justice for the girl from Yeripok to Lihal who was raped and murdered on January 28. PRO of KCP PWG Chinkayanganba in a press release assured to award befitted punishments to all the culprits involved in the incident. It also appealed people for their cooperation for a better society. Saizang Mairapaibi local club volunteers and people of the area carried out protest demonstration at Saizang Mayang Lekai Community Hall today against the bomb blast at Saizang Tera Mako Dam under Yangampopi Police Station in Imphal East District yesterday. Speaking to media, Secretary of Saizang Mairapaibi Haikruzam Indrabanu appealed those concerned not to repeat such act which creates fear psychosis to people. She warned of intense hesitation if not clarified regarding the incident within 3 days.
January tang kuntra ay kupunipan adwaida thohan da thawdo ma thokki bom pokhai bagi thawdo aduda akhoi yamna nungai taba aduga kanana karibidamakta asinumba bom pokhai bagi thawdo ase thohalibano kanana karibidamakta thawdo ase thohalibano haiba asi akhoi numit humni gi manungda athuba matamda sengdokpirau karamba organization tawribano haiba ase athuba matamda sengdokpirau haiba wafam asi thamjage.
President of National Socialist Council of Nagaland, Government of People's Republic of Nagaland, NAC and ZPR and Yung Ung greeted Naga Britons on the Foundation Day of NAC and GPRN today. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a fire mishap which occurred at Malom Tuliay Maawang Klekai. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Fire suspected to have originated from the candle of the birthday cake has engulfed the house of one Mayang Lambam Santikumar from Malom Tuliay Maawang Klekai in Imphal West. The incident occurred around 12:30 a.m. today. People of the area, Dugra Regiment of the Indian Army at Malom and Manipur Fire Service rushed to the spot and doused the fire. However, most part of Santikumar's house was burned due to the fire. Speaking to Impact News, family members said that the fire must have originated from the candle of the birthday cake of Santikumar's grandson. All Manipur College Teachers Association AMCTA in a press release notified that the association would carry out a massive rally regarding UGC pay scale on February 6. The resolution was taken during an executive meeting at AMCTA held at the conference hall of Orrington College today. Wood Polymer Composite WPC, a renowned company of India which produces luxurious wood products for household uses, opened its center in Imphal at Gari Awang Klaikai, Imphal West today. Spouse of Chief Minister and Biren Nongthombam, Ongbi Hiainu inaugurated the center, which is the first of its kind in the whole Northeast. Speaking at the event, Managing Director of Liwa, Nongthombam Repusite said that WPC products are being produced with an aim to stop deforestation in the world. He added that the products will last aesthetically and integrally longer than normal wood.
मखन मखन की वैरायटी ऊना सेंबा याबा मैम से रिप्लेस तौजरी अखोई द कनोसिना WPC सिना सिगी कानबा अमा हाइबसिदा कानबस मैम सिना 100% waterproof 100% termite proof 100% recyclable aduga at the same time asi ama hoina u ama season matamda phamung ama semge ham da u ama yandaba yade aduna akoi da environment da koina akoi gi ugi matra je sum handar ai aduna for the next generation da koina akoi message sama jo koina society da contribute to pami akoina u yanda bida ugi mahut sinba yaba wooden ju oiba wood ki aduga weatherproof su oiba asina longer generation da tarogadi at the same time we are contributing to the society.
Women's rights activist and social worker Urmila Janam from Manipur was conferred with World Pearl Spirits Award for sisterhood and international recognition. The biggest social network for women, World Pearl Spirits founder and CEO Jacinth Larselt announced the same at the network's headquarters at Oregon, USA yesterday. Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar launched a website for for Morning Bell newspaper, themorningbell.in at New Delhi today. Prakash Javadekar wished the website to help in providing genuine news to the people. Publisher of the Morning Bell, Laimayum Basanta Sarma, also attended the website launch program.
To launch Morning Bell, which is the right name for any newspaper, because this is really the morning bell for anybody who wants to read. And Basanta Sharma and his colleagues deserve appreciation, and they should make it a successful by giving correct news, timely news, and good analysis. All the best.
Works Minister Thogam Biswasit said that government jobs alone cannot solve the problem of unemployment. He asserted that industrialization will be of great help in resolving such issues. Minister Biswasit was speaking at the inauguration of one showroom named Eastern Sewing House at New Chekon yesterday. Speaking further, he asserted that many initiatives are underway to encourage entrepreneurs of the state. Two-day capacity building program on scientific cultivation on high-yielding varieties of rapeseed mustard, lentil, and field pea under rain-fed condition for doubling farmers' income, organized by Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Chandal, kick off today at the training hall of KVK Chandal in Monsang Pantha village under Chandal district. Deputy Commissioner Chandal Krishna Kumar and Joint Director of ICAR Regional Center Complex of NEH Manipur Center Imphal, Dr. Narendra Prakash attended the program held under the sponsorship of ICAR Indian Institute of Agricultural Biotechnology, Ranchi, Jharkhand under NEH component. SMS Agronomy of KVK Chandal, Dr. Kumlo Levis, spoke on the topic scientific cultivation of rabi oilseeds and pulses for enhancing livelihood security on the first day of the capacity building program attended by 150 farmers from various parts of Chandal district. Various spices were also distributed in the program. GCILPS convener YK Dhiren appealed the state government to convert 50-bedded hospital in Jiribam to full-fledged district hospital, acknowledging the plights facing the people of Jiribam. He was speaking at one-day free medical camp held at the auditorium of Jiribam Higher Secondary School, Babupara, jointly organized by GCILPS and Jiribam BAMS today. Speaking further, YK Dhiren lamented that despite repeated pleas pleased by people of the area to provide appropriate infrastructure and check on the absence of doctors of the 50-bedded hospital, it felt on deaf ears. He asserted that the free medical camp was organized to ease the plights facing the people.
building 50 bedded hospital doctors doctors equipment operation theaters posting operation theaters function function appeal government health department hospital full pressure hospital
Deputy Chief Minister Y. Kumar inaugurated a playground at the LIC campus in Langol Faipizang in Imphal West District today. The long-due wish of the villagers of Langol Faipizang to have a playground came through with the joint support of Langol Cookie Welfare Association, KWAL, Faipizang Village Authority Cookie, New Meite Lom, KNL and KSO Langol. YAS Minister led by Hawkip, Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen, Rajya Sabha MP MC Mary Comte and President of Cookie Inpi Manipur Khaimang Chongkloi attended the event. As a part of the safety measures taken regarding coronavirus outbreak, medical screenings were carried out near the ILP counter at Babupara in Jiribam since 6 a.m. today. Outsiders coming from Assam were checked using infrared thermometer under the aegis of District Health Society Jiribam. Chief Medical Officer of Jiribam, Dr. E. Okedro, said that there is no report of coronavirus in the district so far. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People of various communities residing in the state carried out public rally against atrocities by Assam Rifles and armed forces. And Tawal District Police nabbed 4 miscreants involved in a hit-and-run incident at Kangabok.